Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an SEO pro, marketer, or just someone looking to improve your website's search rankings, today's video is for you. We're diving into a tool that's been making waves in the SEO community, RankAligner. Now, if you've ever heard of the term keyword cannibalization, you'll know how much of a nightmare it can be for your rankings. And if you haven't, stick around because we're going to talk all about it, and how RankAligner could be the solution you've been looking for. For those of you who aren't familiar with keyword cannibalization, it happens when multiple pages on your website are competing for the same keyword. So instead of having one strong page ranking for a keyword, you have multiple pages diluting the potential and confusing search engines. This can be a massive issue because it means you're not getting the most out of your content, and your rankings might take a hit. That's where RankAligner comes in. This tool is designed specifically to help you detect keyword cannibalization quickly and easily. I've tried it out myself, and I have to say it's a game changer for anyone who manages SEO for websites. One of the first things I love about RankAligner is how fast it works. Instead of spending hours sifting through data or manually auditing pages, RankAligner allows you to identify keyword cannibalization in just a few clicks. It's all automated, saving you tons of time and effort. Once you've plugged in your website, the tool scans your pages and identifies where multiple pages are competing for the same keyword. And it's not just a simple keyword overlap detection tool, it goes deeper. RankAligner also helps you analyze the performance of these pages, comparing how they're ranking, their click-through rates, and overall visibility. This way, you can immediately see which pages are having a negative impact on your rankings and take action. What's great is that RankAligner gives you an incredibly detailed analysis of your keyword data. Instead of just pointing out the issues, it also lets you analyze competing pages to understand their content, search intent, and overall performance. This is super helpful because it means you can make informed decisions about how to fix the problem. Should you consolidate content? Optimize keywords? Or maybe even merge pages? With RankAligner's insights, you have a clear path forward to resolve the cannibalization issues effectively. Now, if you're worried about it being too complicated to use, don't be. RankAligner has a simple and user-friendly dashboard that makes it easy to navigate, even if you're not an SEO expert. It's intuitive, and the data is displayed in a way that anyone can understand. So you don't need to spend hours trying to figure out how to use the tool. Everything you need is right there, and it's all laid out clearly. One of the most powerful features, in my opinion, is the integration with Google Search Console. If you're already using GSC for your SEO tracking, RankAligner seamlessly connects with it, giving you even more in-depth insights into how your pages are performing. You can track impressions, clicks, and how well your pages are ranking for specific keywords, all without having to jump between tools. RankAligner also offers automated keyword cannibalization detection, which means you don't have to manually check for overlapping keywords. The tool does all the heavy lifting for you. It even highlights the problem areas in red, so you can quickly pinpoint where the issues are and start resolving them. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're managing a large site or multiple clients. But what really sets RankAligner apart is its scalability. Whether you're a solo blogger, an e-commerce store owner, or an agency handling multiple clients, RankAligner adapts to your needs. It doesn't matter if you have a handful of pages or thousands, RankAligner can handle it. It's designed to be flexible, so you can use it for any kind of website, no matter the size or complexity. As someone who's been working in SEO for a while now, I can tell you tools like RankAligner are a must-have in your toolkit. It's not just about fixing one-off issues, but about being proactive in your SEO strategy. By catching keyword cannibalization early, you can avoid long-term ranking problems and ensure that your pages are working together, not against each other. RankAligner isn't just about solving problems, it's about optimizing your entire SEO strategy. It helps you get the most out of your content and improve your rankings, all while saving you time. So, if you're serious about SEO and want to take your website's performance to the next level, RankAligner is definitely worth checking out. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this gave you a good look at what RankAligner can do and how it can help with keyword cannibalization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts on the tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.